Hi, Jacqueline Nash here from the Yoga House. Just a quick reminder to hit the subscribe button to get updates when we post yoga videos. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 pointers to remember as you're working towards coming into crow or bakasana. So the first thing as we set up, right, we know hands are on the ground, hands about shoulders distance apart. The first thing that we want to remember is that the hips have to go high. Even though the knees are bending, we want the energy of the sits bones up, right? Because once it comes down, the weight's going to go back into your seat, right? So hips are high. And sometimes that's challenging for people. So you might grab some blocks or whatever can give you a little lift, right? Coming up onto the blocks so the knees can come to the triceps and the hips are lifting up, right? We push the hands down, the hips lift high, right? The next point that we want to remember are the knees. We don't want the knees on the outside of the triceps. We want the knees right on the back of the triceps. And then once they're there, we want to feel a magnetic pull between the knees to stabilize the knees on the back of the triceps. Okay? So hands down, hips high, knees bend, knees come to the triceps right on the back. Right? And then as we shift the weight into the hands, knees stay on the triceps. There's a magnetic pull between the knees to keep them right on the triceps. Point 3 is the gaze. Very often, people look down in the pose, right at the spot in front of their hands, but we want the gaze to be just beyond the mat so there can be energy reaching forward rather than down in the head. So hands come down, hips lift high, knees come to the back of the triceps. We hug the knees in towards each other. The weight shifts into the hands. Maybe the one foot lifts, maybe the next foot. The look is just beyond the mat. Hips high, knees hug in, gaze is slightly forward. So try those few pointers as you're working on crow. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Have fun. Namaste, yogis.